In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the origin temple in Cobbleverse. Now, this is a temple that you will need to go to in order to find Mew. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is by far one of the hardest structures to find in Cobbleverse, and that is mainly because there is no map that you can just create and it will just point you to the nearest one. So, unfortunately, it really is just a matter of luck. And to increase your chances the most, what I recommend that you guys do is go to jungle biomes. This is only going to spawn within the jungle biomes themselves, and it should look something like this. By the way, you'll need to make sure you defeated the Elite Four as well if you actually want to access the temple itself. So here is how it actually does look like. And once again, it is a little bit unfortunate that you aren't able to like create a map or anything like that. But what you are able to do is you're able to use commands. And in my opinion, if it honestly just takes too long, I don't see a problem in using commands. So the command is /locate followed by structure followed by Cobbleverse, just like this. Then you want to type in mythical /Mew, just like so. So you will need to type that in, and then it will provide you with the coordinates to the nearest temple, and you will need to make your way to the temple, and then from there, you should be good to go. So you do have multiple different options right over here, and once again, I know it's very frustrating that you can't really just create a map and that's it, but obviously, they do make things a little bit harder. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.